Okay, I hope you can see this as I'm trying to balance my iPad on my lap at the same time. So here I just have some random photo of Samantha that I just did a basic preset on. So if you come up here, you'll see this little round circle. This is your radial filter. This is your graduated filter. They both do pretty much the same thing, but they apply it differently. So for example, if you choose radial filter, I already have paint on sunflare selected, but you would just choose whatever option you have. Like here's graduated sunlight. I have a few sunlight filters, but I'm using the paint on sunflare. So with a radial filter, you just go into the part of the image where you want to apply it and you create it, make it as big as you want. Then you can move it around the image. And then if you look over here where it says feather, I usually feather it to about 80%, which means you're not going to have as much effect on the edge. It's going to be more central. And then of course you can adjust the amount that you want, and then you can also click on your sunflare. Oops, sorry, I meant to do this one. And then you can adjust more inside here. So you can make it brighter, you can adjust the temperature, make it warmer, cooler, change the color, so you can get creative in here. Or you can use the graduated filter. So I'm going to select something different. Let's go down here to Rose Haze, and this one you just drag onto the image. So the more you pull it in, the more effect you're going to have. Same thing, just increase it. You can also click on the little triangle. And then of course you've got more options in here that you can play with, make it warmer if you want, more exposure, etc. One of my favorite ones to use is, I'm clicking on the graduated filter again. I'm going to scroll down, and as you can see I have tons and tons and tons of brushes and filters. I'm going to use Pastel Sunflare right here. That's one of my favorites. And I'm just going to come out here to the edge of the photo, and I'm going to drag it on. And then if I want more of an effect, I'm going to pull this outer one in closer, and it gives like a nice pink rosy tone to the image. And I have it turned up all the way, but again, you can click on and mess with all of these in here to, you know, change the effect one way or the other. So you can play around until you get the effect or the desired look you're wanting. So you can see here on my before and after, big difference. So I hope that helps.